Hi all, welcome to your channel Competitivepedia. Today we are going to discuss important appointments for 2022 January. So this session is very important and it may help in your upcoming examination. Now this session is relevant for SSC, Railways, State PCS, Banking, UPSC and other one-day exam. So let's begin with the session. First question. Who has been appointed as chairperson of the University Grants Commission? So your answer is option A, M. Jagdish Kumar. Clear? So M. Jagdish Kumar was appointed as the chairperson of the UGC. Prior to this, he was serving as the Vice Chancellor of JNU. Now UGC was established in 1956. Clear? Moving towards next question. Who has been appointed as chairman of Indian Council of Historical Research? So your answer is option C, Raghavendra Tanwar. Clear? So Raghavendra Tanwar has been appointed as chairman of the Indian Council of Historical Research. He was former registrar of the Kurukshetra University and his appointment is for a period of 3 years. Clear? Now, next question. Who has been appointed as new Secretary General of OPEC? So, your answer for this question is option A, Hatem Al Ghaz. It is your answer. Clear? So, Hatem Al Ghaz has been appointed as new Secretary General of Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries, short OPEC. Now he will replace Nigeria's Mohammed Barkindo. Next, who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO in January 2022? Answer is option B, S. Somnath. Clear? Now, S. Somnath, an eminent senior rocket scientist, has been appointed as the 10th chairman of Indian Space Research Organization. Now, he will succeed K. Sivan. Clear? Next, who has been appointed as the new Chief Economic Advisor to the Government of India in January 2022? Answer is option D, V. Anantha Nageshwaram. Okay. So, Dr. Venkatraman Anantha Nageshwaram has been appointed as the new Chief Economic Advisor to the Government of India. Now, he will replace Krishnamurthy Subramaniam. Clear? Next question. Who has been appointed as independent chairman of Unity Small Finance Bank in January 2022? Your answer for this is option A, Vinod Rai. Clear? So, Vinod Rai has been appointed as independent chairman of Unity Small Finance Bank. Vinod Rai was a former Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Now, Unity Small Finance Bank has commenced operation from 1st November 2021 as a small finance bank. Clear? Next, who has been reappointed as chairman of the Commission for Agricultural Cost and Prices, short CACP? So, your answer for this is option D, Vijay Paul Sharma. Clear? Now, the Union government has reappointed Vijay Paul Sharma as chairman of the Commission for Agricultural Cost and Prices. Vijay Sharma has also served as a professor in the Agricultural Department at the Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Clear? Now, who is the new Secretary General of Shanghai Cooperation Organization from 1st of Jan 2022? The answer for this question is Zhang Ming. Option A is your answer, Zhang Ming. Clear? So, Zhang Ming, a veteran Chinese diplomat, has taken over as Secretary General of Shanghai Cooperation Organization for 3 years from 1st Jan 2022. He will succeed Vladimir Noro, who is from Uzbekistan. Now, prior to this, Zhang Mi was head of the Chinese mission to the European Union for 4 years. Clear? Moving towards the next question. Who has been appointed as the new chairperson of Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India in Feb 2022? Answer for this is option A, Ravi Mittal. Clear? Now, Ravi Mittal, former sports secretary, has been appointed as the chairperson of Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India. Now, he is appointed for 5 years or till the age of 65, whichever is earlier, and he will succeed MS Saho. Next, who has been named as the next chief economist of the International Monetary Fund in January 2022? Answer for this question is Pierre Olivier Gorich. Option B, Pierre Olivier Gorich. Clear? Now, he is a French-born economist and has been named as the next chief economist of the International Monetary Fund. He will succeed Geeta Gopinath, who was the first woman to serve as the fund chief economist. Clear? So, it is very important question. Keep it in mind. Who has been appointed as the first woman judge of Pakistan Supreme Court in January 2022? Answer for this is option D, Ayesha Malik. Okay. So, Ayesha Malik, Lahore High Court Justice, has been appointed as the first woman judge of Pakistan Supreme Court. Now, the Judicial Commission of Pakistan, which was headed by Chief Justice Gulzar Ahmad, approved her elevation. Next, which among the following has been appointed as the new governor of Norway Central Bank, Norges Bank, in Feb 2022? So, your answer for this is option A, Jens Stoltenberg. Clear? So, NATO Secretary General Jens Stoltenberg will take over as the next governor of Norway's central bank, Norges Bank. Now, he will succeed Astin Alsen. Okay. Now, Jens Stoltenberg was a former Prime Minister of Norway, and he has also served as Finance Minister from 1996 to 2000. Yeah. Next, which among the following has been appointed as the new head of the Defense Intelligence Agency in January 2022? Answer is your option C, G.A.V. Reddy. Clear? So, Lieutenant General G.A.V. Reddy has been appointed as the new head of the Defense Intelligence Agency. He will succeed Lieutenant General K.J.S. Dhillon. Now, as the head of the Defense Intelligence Agency, it is the principal advisor on intelligence to the Ministry of Defense and the Chief of Defense Staff. Next, who has been elected as the chairman of the Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative Limited in January 2022? Answer for this is option A, Dilip Sanghani. Clear? So, Dilip Sanghani has been elected as the 17th chairman of the Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative Limited. He has been serving as the vice chairman of IFFCO since 2019 and he will succeed Balwinder Singh Nakai. Next, who has taken charge as the new chairman of Apparel Export Promotion Council in January 2022? Your answer for this is option A, Narendra Goenka. Clear? So, Narendra Kumar Goenka has taken charge as the new chairman of the Apparel Export Promotion Council. He will succeed A. Shaktivel. Now, before taking charge as a chairman, he was the vice chairman of the apex body. Clear? Next. Who has assumed charge as the first woman chairman and managing director of ONGC? Your answer is option A, Alka Mittal. This is also very important question. So, Alka Mittal, a postgraduate in economics and a doctorate in commerce, has become the first woman to head India's largest exploration and production company ONGC. Now she is the second woman in the country after Nishi Vasudeva, who made history in March 2014 after taking over the position of head of the Hindustan Petroleum. Now, next, who among the following takes over the chairmanship of the United Nations Counter Terrorism Committee for 2022? Answer is option D, T.S. Tirumurti. Clear? Now, T.S. Tirumurti, India's permanent representative to the United Nations, has taken over the chair of the United Nations Counter Terrorism Committee for 2022. Now, as a chairman of the committee, he will look after in strengthening the multilateral response to counter terrorism. Clear? So guys, this was for the day. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, then do like the channel and subscribe with your friends. Till then, happy learning from Competitivepedia. May God bless you all. Thank you.